full. Check down here. Okay, so I'm back from washing them, and they're all ready for tomorrow to weld on the, or around, or right on top of the push rod humps on the AFR enforcer cylinder heads. That broke through. So, yeah. If you want to do a real good job, you're gonna, something like this is gonna happen. Nice thing is it's not in the water jackets. I've only gone up 2 inches, so anyway, yeah, they're coming along. So they're all 36 gridded. Tomorrow morning I'll go in, I'll poke at all the areas that I think around the push rod tube humps are thin, and intentionally try to make it go through, so I'll probably end up having to just weld all of them. Not a big deal. It's not the end of the world, like I said. So anyway, y'all have a great day, and I appreciate you watching. Like and subscribe if you could, please. I do appreciate you, and YouTube as well. Have a wonderful day and wonderful evening. All right. Happy Tuesday. Take care. Bye-bye.